Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I think this is probably, oh yeah, this is Big and Little Crochet, my next edition. Oh, some more white books, 26 and 27. This one is amigurumi and this one is black and white. So let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, there's 2 half hexagons this time. So it's 2 half hexagons. There's some tips on amigurumi. Amigurumi is like making small animals using tiny stitches. And usually using small hooks. It's a unicorn, that's cute. Oh, look at that sausage dog. A dachshund in a little jacket, it's cute. A little hippo, oh, that's cute. They're all sort of basically, you just keep on working in the round. Donut, pincushion, that's quite pretty. Could make one of those. A little snake. Oh, they're cute. Mind you, they'd be fiddly to make, little pencil covers. I do amigurumi, but I tend to do larger-ish projects. So something like that I'd probably have a go at. A koala, little monkey keyring. Oh, there's an elephant one as well. Yeah, that's really pretty. I can see myself trying some of those. Book 27. It's starting to show you it all made together now, look. This is what we've got assembled so far, sort of this section here. So yeah, I think we've got the pieces to be able to come up almost now. Definitely can come up to here. I think we've got this piece here as well. Yeah, so we're getting quite a lot done now. Hang on a minute, how many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 half hexagons. And that'll be 3 that we'll have done. We've done this one already. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sevens is what? Is it 63? 9 sevens? Yeah, 63. And we've done 20. This will be 25. 25 and 3 of those. So, oh, we're not even halfway there yet. I thought we were. Right, so this is black and white projects. That's a nice scarf or cowl. Very nice. Pineapple doily, very pretty. Very pretty. A lampshade trim, that's a good idea. I like that. And a trim you can put anywhere, you can put it on a papercraft project. Granny square bag looks pretty straightforward. I like that as well, it's nice. Summer fedora, that's cute. Nautical striped dress. Target cushions, they're cute. Ruffle edge sweater, that's nice. So yeah, lots of things for me to have a go at in there. So stick around because I'm going to show you, hopefully, I filmed a video of me joining my granny squares, and I'll make the ones that are in here as well. So stick around for that. I'll come back for that. Don't stick around because it could be a couple of days. Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye bye.